Costzon Excavator. It's a kid's ride-on toy. Your battery is plugged in, goes underneath the seat, clips in. Nice and simple. Screw the seat back on. These are the tools that you need. Does not come with tools. You must have these tools, and the only other thing that you need are 2 AA batteries. There's a horn. You have your panel here to turn it off and on. Forward, stop, and reverse. The pedal that you use. And then you have handles to lift the bucket. Nice sturdy wheels with grip. You can leave it up in the air and manipulate it that way. You can put it all the way down and go against the ground. Push the pedal again, Mom. And then it's going forward. And then with a push of a button, it goes backwards.